Hi all, very good morning. Today is our next session. Okay, for 1 second. Okay, today our topic is how to use assertions in Apache JMeter 2. Okay, this is today our topic. Okay, first assertion. First of all, what is the assertion, right? Assertion is a verification. Okay, in your specific any web page or any specific transaction, what you need to verify is the expected results is able to came or not. The verification purpose you need to use the assertions. Okay, and the verification everything will be done by its server side only. That reason you are not able to do that one manually. That is not possible. Okay, I will use today first assertion is in general every time I'm using response assertion. Okay, response assertion. Response assertion. Okay, response assertion main use is whenever you need to verify the any specific http codes means 200 205 203 300 400 500, that type errors verification and text messages verification also you need to able to, that is based on conditions. Okay, I will show you that one now. Just a minute, it will open. Okay, our in general testing purpose, I will use one sample application. Lifecharger.org. Okay, first of all, test plan, right? You need to add the thread group. Under thread group, I will add the sampler HTTP request. Okay, and I will give into the this is HTTP, right? By default, it's available. No need to give anything. Just you can give the lifecharger.org. That is enough. Okay. Under thread group, I will add the listeners view results tree. View result table. Assertion results also. Okay. Okay, now how you need to use, right? Just I will show you for example point of view each assertion how you need to work. Okay, today topic only just a few assertions we need to discuss. Okay, most of the times in our applications you need to what are the assertions you need to use, right? That one only today I will explain. First one, whenever you need to verify any request, otherwise any transaction or any web page, anything you need to verify, right? Most of the time you need to use there is one specific assertion, that is response assertion. You can see the response assertion, the fields you can see. First of all, one is text response. Okay, you need to add anything, right? You need to verify, you can use the text response, right? Same only response code, you need to provide the response code. And the response messages, response headers, request headers, URL sample, document text, ignore status, request to data. That is, you can see there are so many condition pattern matching rules. One is contain, matches, equals, substring, not, or. There are so many conditions, right? That based only you need to evaluate. Okay, what type of um, field test and what type of pattern test based you need to test the your specific request. The condition is satisfied, it's pass, otherwise it will fail. Okay, but this verification, it's very fastly, it's been done by in server side, right? You need to running the test time only, you need to validate it. That reason you need to use the in general for assertions only. Okay, example, now you need to disable this one. In general you need to run, first of all you're able to working or not save. Yeah, now it's passed, right? First one, you can see the response code is 200, it succeeded, right? Now in response assertion, in response code, I will select the contains. Whenever you will get the 200 message, it pass. You can see 200, right? I will clear everything, I will run. You can see now it's pass, right? The response code is 200, now it's pass. Whenever you need to give the, there is any another response codes, example I will give 201. Okay, now how you need to work, you need to see. Now you need to see it's failed, right? The, you can see clearly it will mention assertion failure message, test failed, code expected to contain. You can see the method also, you can clearly mention test. Okay, contain also, code expected to contain 201. Our expecting 201, but actual message is 200. That reason you need to fail. Okay, that is based on what type of field, what type of pattern you need to select it. That based only he will evaluate the your specific request. Okay, that is the first one, and most of the time most of the people you need to use, I am also response assertion. Okay, first one. Now you need to disable this one, you can moving to next one. You can go to the assertion. I will select to the duration, means how much time will be taken. Time means how many milliseconds time will be taken, you need to execute the request. Okay, now I need to disable this one. Now we need to run, it's a single user only, right? Now I need to see that one, it's pass, right? You can go to the view result table. You can see around there is no any specific correct time, this type of details only. One second, I will add, I will given 1500 seconds. I need to see how much time we need to take, and this one only will show you. Okay, your duration you give, I will given the duration in millisecond, total 1500 seconds, right? The request is executed below 1500 seconds or equal to 1500 seconds, the request is pass. the duration for execution for the specific request. Anything the limitation is exceeded, right, that time that one will be failed. Example, now I will given 800 seconds. Now I need to see how we need to work this one. Still it's failing, right? Sorry, pass, right? Now also it's executed below 800 seconds. Now we need to go to 500. You can see now it's failed, right? The total time of load is 705. Okay, the total time is total 705, but I will given only 500, only 500 milliseconds only I will given. That reason now it's failed, that one. Okay, that based you need to evaluate the okay, that based you need to evaluate the duration. Whenever how many milliseconds you will given, the you need to execute the specific request, send the request, and you need to get the response, right? Anything the duration is increased, right, that time only the request will be failed. That way you need to evaluate for the duration assertion. Okay, now we need to disable this one. You can moving to next size assertion. Before size assertion, right, you need to check to this request how much time you need to take it. Can go to Google. You can see size of the bytes, same request 1058. Okay, size you need to set the specific request, right, how much of bytes you need to send the request. Size in bytes 1058, right? Now you need to add the same assertion. Size assertion, right? You can see I will set the full response equal. Okay, total I will given around 1000 bytes only. Size is 1000 bytes. What are the actual size? 1058. I will given 1000 only. Now it's expecting its need to pass that request. Just a minute, you need to evaluate that one. Yeah, now it's failed, right? You can see how much time will be taken. The request it take very too much time, right? That reason only you need to fail. You can go this one. You can see size assertion. The result was wrong. It was 1058 bytes, but you should have been equal to 1000. Means it means the total size is 1058, but I will given 1000. But our condition equal, right? You need to give same size only. 1058 only. Okay, now we need to check, right? Now it's working, that one. that is based on condition only. Example, you are given what type of condition. This is equal, right? Both it's matching only, it succeeded. Otherwise not equal, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal, that based only you need to work. Okay. Just a minute, still it's running this one. Okay, our verification, how much size you need to give in, right? 1058, and same whatever request will execute and you need to get the response, both it's matching, yeah, it's past that one. That is based on your condition only, you need to work that one. Okay, this type of comparison, okay, this comparison based only you need to work. This is something issue, non-HTTP response, software caused connection aborted, receive failed. Okay, it's not a problem, I will change this one. You can take the www.google.com. Okay, just a minute, I need to. Maybe site is not working properly. The livecharger.org. On HTTP response google.com. Just a minute, something internet issue this one. Sorry for the interruption, just 2 minutes to connect this one. Yeah, now it's connected. Maybe something network issue. Okay, just now it's able to work. Yeah, it's everything working. Now we need to enable the size session. Oh, now we need to run this one. You need to check. Still it's failing. Okay, now the size is different, right? You can see totally size in bytes 17,397. 17,397. Now maybe I need to run one more time. Okay, you can see the variance. It's keep on. You need to change, right, that one. What you need to take? You need to take below. Okay, you need to take less than, right. You can go directly 18,000. Okay, now example everything it's below only, right. 18,000 I will given, total 17,406. Now it's a below only, right. Now you need to see what will be happen. You can see it's pass, right. You can see total size 17,387. Okay, that is based on what type of condition you were selected. That is fully depend on what type of comparison you selected. That based only need to work size assertion. Okay, okay, now you need to disable this one. You can moving to the another one. It's a HTML assertion. This is also one of the most important one. HTML. Okay, whenever you need to take any specific page, the proper HTML format is there or not, you need to evaluate. Okay, how you need to do, right. Example, this specific request www.google.com, this is most of the time it's available, but whenever you are checking any web apps or web application, any mobile apps, that time you need to use, right, the format is HTML. That HTML time you are receiving any, there is any threshold for errors and warnings. Example, I got a example, I will given example 100 errors, I will given 100 warnings. Okay, whenever it reach to the errors is 100, warnings also 100. It did not below 100 and equal 100, it did not throw any error. Whenever 100 will be increased, right. Okay, that time you will throw the error, and you need to check to the format, HTML format properly is available or not. Example, I did not give anything, right. You can see what will be happen. You can see the assertion failure message cannot pass argument number. Okay, you must and should something, you need to number, you need to pass the threshold. For especially you need to check the HTML format, means any web page you must and should it's available to the format, right. HTML format it's available. Okay, the HTML format purpose only, you need to give something value, how many errors and warnings you able to ignore. Example, I will given 100 only. That is based on development team, what are the errors and warnings you need to ignore, right. That condition purpose only you need to give this one. And another one, write JTD report to file. You can give any one Excel file or CSV file path, what type of errors you are getting, everything you able to load it to the one Excel file. Means your evidence purpose, what type of errors you need to getting. Another one, you can add the your just validation purpose, you can give the assertion results, right. You able to receive this place also, you able to get the results. Now I will show you that one. Now you need to run, right. It's pass, there is no any issue, right. Format point of view, it's simply pass. Whenever you receive any issue, that time he will report all the errors. Okay, this is also one of the way you need to check to the HTML format. You can close this one also. Now moving to another one. Another one is XML. Okay, the XML proper alignment is there or not, you need to check the specific pages. Okay, how we need to validate it, right? This is only for Assertion results only you need to provide. You can see I need to remove everything. Can go to the only XML assertion. Okay. You can see it's showing XML assertion. The markup is the document proceeding the root element must be well formed. Okay. Now there is no any issue, but whenever you will get any issue, right? Example, 1 second. Maybe I need to give this application. Google keep on it's giving very perfect. Okay, now I need to run one more time. Now you need to see XML assertion. Open quet is expected to attribute align associated with an element type div. Okay, there is some XML issue. Okay, this is the way example you need to test the any multiple mean just general practicing purpose. You can use to any demo applications available, right? That applications 2 3 applications you keep on checking, right? You able to understand what is the difference. Okay, there is no proper alignment, right? This type of issues you need to report it to the development team. Okay, that team you need to resolve that one. Otherwise you have development knowledge also, but development team it's not allowed, right, in company point of view. That reason as a performance tester how you need to find out the issue and you able to prove to the development side that job you perfectly need to do, right? Yeah, your job is done. Okay, the most of the time these are the assertions only you need to use. Okay, it's a normally you need to fail this one. You can go same messages only. Open quoted expected to attribute align associated with an element type div. Maybe you able to see anything little bit idea about to the in HTML pages design, right? Means creating the HTML tag also div, it's a one of the tag. There is a issue that one. Okay, that is the way you need to find out and you need to report, but you need to practice 2 3 times for any 2 3 applications. That time you able to understand very easily how we need to use this assertions. Okay, and assertion results, right, it will showing very clear output. Okay, what is expecting and what is actual one. Okay, your easy understanding purpose. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. This video main focus only response assertion. I will list out that one. One is response assertion, second one duration assertion, size assertion, HTML assertion, XML assertion. Okay, today topic this only 5 assertions only how you need to use for our application verification purpose, but most of the time you need to use to the response assertion is the first priority. Okay, our applications also validation purpose you need to use this one. Remaining that is based on your requirement, but you need to learn. Okay, how we need to use any situation you need to occur, right? That time you can easily need to use. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. This video I will connect to my next video. Thank you very much for everyone. Bye.